Hey there, my name is Marcus, and in today's video I'm going to share with you how you can fix the error for the Whirlpool LOC stove, and this is how you're going to do it. So it's a lock error, and what you're going to find is that I just have two screenshots of two products from Whirlpool stove, and here you're going to have control lock, and what you want to do is you want to hold it for 3 seconds, or here you're going to find the control lock, hold for 3 seconds. Maybe you can find also like a key there, maybe like a lock that you just want to hold for 3 to 5 seconds, you want to have it turned on, but that's pretty much how you're going to fix the issue to unlock your Whirlpool stove. So I hope this video helped you. I just wanted to make it quick and effective. So when you're going to have both stoves, you just want to, what kind of stove you have, I don't know, and you just want to press and hold the control lock 3 to 5 seconds. Maybe it's going to like count down, maybe, and then it's going to fix the issue for you. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.